Hello guys, and welcome once again to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to break down a trade I took on gold using the Ttrades Fractal Model. The first step to every model is to find the direction for price. So I could clearly see that the market disrespected this bearish FED and printed a bullish FED, which the market will come back to and then continue on the bullish movement. So when I saw this FED, I was waiting for price to either disrespect it or to respect it and come down to this bullish FEG over here and then move up, right? So I allowed the reversal candle to print, which I always say that wait for your reversal candle to print. And if your reversal candle prints and then it closes inside the range of the previous candle this way, then that is the market telling you that the next day it is likely to come for the previous daily low. And that is the reason why it closed inside instead of closing outside the range of its previous candle. So when I realized that, I positioned myself to trade this third candle. And to trade this third candle, I will go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, I could see that when our reversal candle printed, it formed a change in state of delivery over here. And apart from forming this change in state of delivery, it also left a fair value gap. So the market could have either reacted from this fair value gap or react from this change in state of delivery over here. So on the 4-hour time frame, like I always say, you have to wait for your reversal candle to print. So we could clearly see that when the market tagged that CISD of the 4-hour time frame, one thing that we can use to also verify that this CISD is a strong CISD is to mark it from body to body and to see if the market respected the 0.5 of the CISD. So we could clearly see that the market respected the 0.5 of the CISD. So that shows that this CISD is strong and it can put price lower. So on the 4-hour time frame, you have to wait for your reversal candle to print, and then you can position yourself to either trade the third candle or the fourth candle. All you need is to trade either the third candle or the fourth candle to the external range liquidity over here, which is also known as the previous daily low. So if you're a scalper, you can take the third candle and then you trade, or you can take the fourth candle and then you trade, or you can trade both. It all depends on you, right? So now that I've identified my 4-hour point of interest that I want the third candle to print its wick at, I will go to the 50-minute time frame. And in the 50-minute time frame, I want to mark this candle, right? So this candle was the 22, which was outside our kill zone. And the candle that I traded was the 2 a.m. and the 6 a.m. to this draw on liquidity. So I'm going to mark them on the 50-minute time frame. And I'm going to look at how they printed, right? So here is on the 15 minutes time frame. I marked the 22 candle open, which started from here, and then it ended when 2 a.m. opened. So 2 a.m. started from here, and 2 a.m. ended at 6 a.m. Or 6 a.m. 6 a.m. started from here. So you could clearly see that the reversal candle formed a change in state of delivery over here, and that confirmed the reversal candle. So we allow the reversal candle to form. We look at how the reversal candle printed. And if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, you could clearly see that when the reversal candle took its previous candle, it closed inside the range, right? It closed inside the range. So that is the market telling you that it wants to come down, and that is why it closed inside the range of this previous candle, right? So we want to position ourselves and trade the 2 a.m. candle. So, and then we know that for a CISD to form, it can form by tagging another CISD, or it can form by tagging a fair value gap, or it can form by raiding a swing high or swing low. That is how CISD is formed. When a CISD is formed by tagging another CISD, that is what we term as a proportion CISD, right? So I could clearly see that when the third candle opened, we had this 15-minute FEG over here, that the third candle came and then it reacted off it and it formed a change in state of delivery. You could see that the market closed over this series of up close candles over here, right? So I took my entry over here and then targeted this external range liquidity. Now one thing you have to put it in your mind is that when you're trading Ttrades Fractal Model, it's always advisable to target the previous daily low, and that previous daily low will be an external range in liquidity on the 4-hour time frame. So if we go to the daily time frame and we have to mark the previous daily low, right? This is the previous daily low. You could see that when we go to the 4-hour time frame, that previous daily low is an external range liquidity. You should always target them. Price will easily get them. So comment, like, share, and subscribe.